Welcome back to the
Happy House Founders. Hey.
I'm Tracy.
I'm Brooke. And today we're going to be doing something that's a little bit fun and a little bit helpful around the house. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be doing some baking. We're going to be making a lemon cake, 2-layered lemon cake. We're using lemon pie filling as the middle and hoping for the best. Never done this before. I think it's going to be fun.
And some pre-done cake mixes. Now our family is gluten-free. We have a couple people in the family that are gluten-free, so we have to use gluten-free stuff. And you'll also see that when we bake, we use a lot of alternatives. So one of the things that we don't use is butter in our baking, butter or margarine, because I don't really think it's the best thing. So
Depends on who's baking,
I guess, yeah. So because I want to eat some of this, we always substitute that with unsweetened applesauce. So if it seems a little weird, our recipe, it's because we like to change things up, make it as healthy as possible.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoy our concoction, and we're trying something new. Hopefully it'll work out.
So we're going to jump into a time lapse and then talk to you guys when it's all done. All right, bye for now.
Bye.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that time lapse. I hope it made sense. It's the first time I've ever edited a time lapse together. So here's the final product. Made a cake. As you can see, it's very messy, but honestly, like, that's just part of the fun. It's lemon flavored. It worked so much better than I thought it would. And if you're sitting there being like, but you haven't tried it yet, trust me, I've eaten all the little bits and the icing and all separately.
And so the whole purpose of this video wasn't to show you how to make this particular cake, but to encourage you to, you're home now, so try some fun activities, baking or cooking, whatever, with your kids, and have a great time doing it and a great time eating it. I can't wait.
I've been pushing my mom to film the outro so that we can go eat the cake.
All right, time to put on a cup of tea.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Alright?
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.